Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this tasty and delicious lamb pulao biryani. I have 2 kg lamb, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 6 green chilies in my pot. I'm now going to add 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to cook this until the lamb breaks easily. Flame medium to high. After 15 minutes my meat is cooked. Now I'm going to put it on the side and start making the masala. In a pan add half cup of oil and medium sliced onions and cook until light brown. Add tomatoes and cook until it's soft. Now add water. For spices I have 1 packet of biryani masala, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon dried mint, and 1 tablespoon cumin, coriander and black cardamom powder. I also have half cup of yogurt. I added the lamb, now I'm going to add my spices. Mix well. Add water so the spices don't burn. Cook for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes I'm going to add yogurt. Mix well. The lamb is ready, now I'm going to boil the rice. I have 3 kg of water inside a pot. I'm now going to add cinnamon sticks, cloves and black cardamom. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to wait till this boils. I have already washed my rice 3 times and dipped it in water for 30 minutes. I'm now going to add it to my boiling water. When the water starts bubbling, cook for 4 minutes. I drained out the water from the rice. I took half of the meat out. Now I'm going to add my rice. this on low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it is ready. The tasty Pulao biryani is now ready. I'm now going to dish it out. I've dished it out and it looks absolutely beautiful and smells amazing. All that's left for you to do is like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.